Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for Class 6 Science Olympiad. And in Class 6 Science Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to start a new chapter, that is Fiber to Fabric. Okay, so we wear different clothes, right? हम different clothes पहनते हैं, different cloth for school, different cloth for parties, and different cloth when we stay at home, right? Yes. So how these clothes are prepared? These things are going to be covered in this chapter. So are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. Our first question, which of the following sequences is correct in making fabric? Options are A, weaving, ginning, spinning, B, ginning, spinning, weaving, C, spinning, weaving, ginning, D, ginning, weaving, spinning. Okay. So here we have to find the correct sequence in making fabric. So here the first one is, just a minute. Yes, the first one, that is ginning, followed by spinning, then weaving. Okay, now what is ginning? In ginning, the cottons, these are separated from the cotton fibers, these are separated from the cotton seed और लींच. ओके, तो कॉटन सीड और लींच जो है उसमें से हम जो कॉटन फाइबर से जो उसको सेपरेट करते हैं, दैट प्रोसेस इज नेम्ड एज गिनिंग. गॉट इट? Coming to the next one, that is spinning. In spinning, what happens? We make the threads. Okay, जो कॉटन हमने निकाला हुआ है उस कॉटन से we are preparing the threads, right? You can see here threads are being prepared, so that is spinning. Then the next one is weaving. In weaving, what is done? Two sets of threads are there. Okay, suppose this is one set and this is another set. So when these two separate set of threads are there, we weave them together, this is known as weaving. Got it? So here the correct process, that is ginning, then spinning, then weaving. So option B is the correct option. Got it? Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following devices was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as a part of the independence movement? Okay, options are A, handloom, B, shuttle, C, charkha, D, machine. So here the correct answer is option C, charkha. So Mahatma Gandhi, he was using charkha, which was a part of the independence movement. Okay, and this charkha, it is used for spinning purpose. Okay, yes, preparation of the threads. Coming to the next question, which of the following materials is grouped wrongly in the chart given below? Which of the following material is grouped wrongly in the chart given below? Fibers, natural, artificial, flax, rayon, artificial, terylene, polyester. Options are A, flax, B, rayon, C, terylene, D, polyester. So here flax, it is a natural fiber, rayon, it is an artificial fiber. It is not a natural fiber. Then terylene is an artificial fiber, polyester is also an artificial fiber. So which one is wrongly placed? That is option B, rayon. Got it? Coming to the next question, which of the following processes involve rotting of gummy skin of jute sticks in water? Options are A, belling, B, ginning, C, rating, D, spinning. So, which of the following process involves rotting of gummy skin of jute sticks in water? जो jute sticks होते हैं वो water में रह के they rot. Okay, the gummy skin and the stems they rot, and from that we find out the jute. वहाँ से हम jute को निकालते हैं. Okay, and that process, that is known as retting. So the correct answer is option C, that is retting. Okay, coming to the next question, which of the following fibers on burning smells like burning hair? ओके, ऑप्शंस आर ए कॉटन, बी फ्लाक्स, सी ऊल, डी जूट. सो कौन सा फाइबर है जो इसको अगर हम बर्न करेंगे देन इट विल स्मेल लाइक बर्निंग हेयर? विच वन? Yes, do you know the answer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay, so here the correct answer is option C, wool. When we burn the wool, it smells like burning hair. Okay, coming to the next question. The box given below shows the characteristics of fibers. Fabric made from above fiber is comfortable to use during which of the following seasons? Allow free movement of air, high water absorption capacity. Options are A winter season, B spring season, C summer season, D rainy season. So, what are the characteristics of fibers? Okay, fabric made from above fiber is comfortable to use during which of the following season? So, the fiber which allow free movement of air, which has high water absorption capacity, that is कॉटन. ओके, जो कॉटन है वो अपने थ्रो एयर का फ्री मूवमेंट को अलाउ करता है और उसका वाटर का जो एब्जॉर्बिंग कैपेसिटी है दैट इज आल्सो हाई. Okay, and in which season we are comfortable to use cotton? That is summer season, right? Summer season में हम cotton clothes को ज़्यादा prefer करते हैं. So here the correct answer is option C, that is the summer season. Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following is used to make carpet and gunny bags? Options are A polyester, B cotton, C jute, D silk. I think you all must be knowing the answer. Okay, so if you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. So here the correct answer is option C jute. So we use jute to make carpets and gunny bags. Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following does not belong to the group formed by others? Options are A wool, B polyester, C silk, D cotton. So, sorry, which of the following does not belong to the group formed by others? So here, wool, silk, cotton, they all are natural fibers. Okay, and this polyester, this one is synthetic fiber. So here the correct answer is option B, that is the polyester. Coming to the next question, complete the given correlation. Silk, cocoon, wool, question mark. Okay, so options are A hair of rabbit, B cotton plant, C fleece of sheep, D jute of hemp. So we have to complete the given correlation. We know silk, these are obtained. Silk, that is a type of fiber, that is a type of natural fiber which is obtained from cocoon of the silkworm. Okay, and wool, from where we get the wool? Wool हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? We get it from the fleece of the sheep, right? Yes. So here the correct answer is option C. Correct? Coming to the next question, which part of the cotton plant yields cotton balls? Options are A leaf, B fruit, C seed, D flower. Okay, so cotton plant के कौन से पार्ट से हमें cotton ball मिलता है? What will be the answer? Yes, so it is fruit. From the cotton fruit we yield the cotton balls. Okay, so correct answer is option B, that is fruit. Coming to the next question, which of the following processes involve the separation of seeds from cotton balls? Options are A winnowing, B carding, C ginning, D spinning. Okay, so here the correct answer is option C, that is ginning. That we just discussed now in our first question, I guess. Okay, so जो separation of seed करते हैं cotton balls से और हम cotton को separate करते हैं, that process is known as ginning. Okay. Coming to the next question, which of the following is made from coconut fibers? Options are A sweaters, B suits, C mattresses, D sarees. So which of the following is made from coconut fibers? Yes, can you answer? It is mattress, right? Yes, correct answer is option C, that is mattresses. Coming to next question, which of the following are the two main processes of making fabrics? Options are A ginning and weaving, B weaving and knitting. C, weaving and spinning. D, ginning and knitting. Okay. So the main processes of making fabrics, it is that is weaving and knitting. weaving और knitting दोनों जो है वो फैब्रिक्स बनाने का मेन प्रोसेस होता है. ओके. Coming to the next question, which of the following statements is true for weaving? Options are A, separation of seeds from cotton balls. B, spinning of yarn. C, arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric. D, immersing stems of jute plant in water. Okay. So, what is weaving? We just discussed in weaving, two sets of fibers are there. Okay. Two different sets of fibers are there और they are interlaced at right angles. Okay. एक सेट ऐसे रहता है, दूसरा सेट ऐसे रहता है. They are interlaced at right angles. Okay. So here the correct answer is option C, arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric. Got it? Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following statement is not true? Options are A, fabric is made of yarn. B, jute is the outer covering of coconut. C, polyester is a synthetic fiber. D, silk fiber is obtained from silkworm. Okay. So, here we have to find out which of the following statement is not true. Okay. So, first one, fabric is made up of yarn. It is correct. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. No, the jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Okay, jute is obtained from the stem of jute plant. Got it? Okay, then the outer covering of coconut, if we want to say, then it is the coir. Right? Next, so this statement is not correct. Polyester is a synthetic fiber. Correct. Silk fiber is obtained from silkworms. It is also correct. So here the correct answer is option B. Got it? So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully. Practice all the questions properly. Okay? So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.